guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. What I have in my shed today? Well, today I have a really nice Kawasaki Z750 and there are a few things that I need to address on this bike. The owner of this bike fell with it. Not at high speed, but enough to break off his brake fluid reservoir. Now, so we're gonna place a new one onto there. So I would say, come on over and we start. The first thing we're gonna do is put it on a bike stand. Is that difficult? No. Okay. We have this one. Yes. Okay. Guys, I'm so happy with my winch. Okay. So, put it straight up. Oh, wow. Let's see. Over here. Yes. And then. Okay. Hop. Now, as you can see, this broke off, but I'm not sure, but I don't see much of brake fluid into it. So that worries me a bit. Now, first thing we're gonna do is put towels. Brake fluid. You don't want to have brake fluid somewhere on your paint. Let's see. Well, this will do. Then, guys, this looks good, but this. I'm gonna straighten it first. Something like this. Okay, then. Better take it off. This holder locking device. Pakje. Hoppa. Now guys, let's see how much fluid that is in. I'm not sure. I got my sucking device. Now let's see what this is all about. Guys, this one is all the way in. Ah, oh. Yep, there is still brake fluid in it. More or less halfway. So we take a plier like this and this out of the way. So put in here. Then you can see this bike is always standing outside. It's a bike to have fun on it and to drive from and to his workplace. So that's, yeah, a bit rusty. This, see, out of the way, easy. Then we have to, wait a minute, maybe I can just, yes, yep, there he comes, this one, oh, like this, okay, yep. Okay. Have a look at the, if it isn't cracked. No, rubber is still good. And now, this one out of the way. I have this one with some a rubber and a bushing and a bolt. We have this one. It's not an original one, but I can mount it on the mirror. And guys, this looks really nice. Hopefully it's the same. Yes, perfect. Good plan. 16? No, bigger, 17. Old mechanic. Yep. Goodbye. So, I found a washer. It's 10 stainless steel, so that's better. Carefully tighten it, not too tight. This is nice plastic. Do I have? Not happy with it. Because pinching the plastic. Gonna make bushing for it. What size is this? 12.5. No, guys, I have this one. Yes, and this is 13 and this is 12.5. So I have to drill it a bit bigger. Well, that's easy. This out of the way. It's a bit softer plastic. Drill of 13. Guys. No. Let's go. Have to wiggle it a bit. Yes. Deburr that a bit. So. Now it fits. And then, see, because now I'm gonna cut it at, even kijken, it's 5.65, so I have to cut it over there. So then I can fasten the mirror as it go clamping onto there. So I'm gonna take my hacksaw and gonna cut it off. First gonna mark it. Something there. Okay. Just tiny bushing. Is that easy? Sure. This. Here light, maybe you see it better. Better. So then it's out. It's the wrong light. Hoppa! Yes, oh, hot, 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 hot. Nice. First, gonna deburr that too. The bushing. Place it in here. Push it. Wow. Have a look. See? Perfect. Perfect. And now the mirror clamps onto that iron piece instead of my plastic. I can live with that. This one. There. Guys, have a look. Much better. Much better. And then, yes. So, you want to put again this one, the hose back onto it, then grab and wiggle it. Yes, oh, not too far, somewhere over there. Yes. Wow. And then take the mirror. Okay. Yes. Hop. And now guys, now I can fasten the mirror without having to worry that I pinch, that I crack the plastic. See, this is still have some slightly bit of room to play. And then let's see, it's something like that. What kind of mirrors these are? Okay. Guys. Here. Still wiggling room. Old mechanic. Whoa. Well done.